So me and Joe, we're gonna paint our body panels. We got the bumper right here, my Mtech tool, the side pods, the side skirts. And Joe, what do you have?
I have a gas tank.
Gas tank from what?
Oh, from a bicycle.
I see. A gas tank's a...
It's a pretty big bicycle.
Yeah, okay, nice bicycle. So we're painting a gas tank and some fairings. Okay, these are... Yeah, these are back fairings and...
What's that called?
The wheel cover? I don't know. It's a fender. So we're just gonna paint all this today. Funny enough, we're all doing like almost the same paint. Like they're all BMW paint, BMW white paint. So this is not a BMW bike, but it's gonna work. So mix the shit.
That's what you mix. It's a trick. Oh, pour faster. Oh, you want some gloves? Oh, it didn't mix all the way. Okay.
You turn it on. Turn it right.
Oh my god!
It went.
Hold on. Sorry.
Yes.
Dude! There's bubbles in it? Is there bubbles in the paint?
Could have sprayed too much.
Let me see.
We'll just send that a little.
Oh, like right there, right?
Could have sprayed too much. I think it's the paint.
Is it the paint or is it you? It's fine. It's good. It's like abrasion that you can stick your leg into because you want, you want as much like abrasion.
The seat covers that part. Okay, you do the back part because that's the least important. This is the back.
Trust me, I got you.
Oh,
Trust.
I got you. I got you too. Hey!
Fuck.
Just don't hold the gun in one
How do you
spot.
want me to spray this? Like this?
Just do this part. Just go.
Let me show you my skills, bro.
No, you don't even have to turn. Just like that. Let's go. I can do that part. Oh, you want to do the front now? I got you. Oh, I should do the underside. Or not the underside, but the bottom.
Stop spraying, bro.
Looks better than you now.
I like this white better than my white. I like
It's cleaner. It's cleaner.
Yeah, it's brighter, right? You can just see it.
That shit don't
Your
matter.
paint's fine. Oh, it's the bottom of the cart. Yeah. Actually, no. We'll because that'll start flaking.
Can you just
Get the razor and scrape it, and then we can redo it.
give me this fucking gun?
What? No,
Give me the gun,
I
you spray
can
it.
do both at the same time. Oh, this is the flaky paint you have. Nah, I think we should just put paint over it, and then it'll never come back up.
Yeah, just spin it. Just get it over with.
Ooh.
It's like it was never there. All right, Joe, what are we doing now?
Spraying clear.
All right, man. So we just laid on the base coat on all of our body panels right here. So we're just gonna do one big pass of clear, and Joe is gonna spray it for me because he's the best, and I don't want to make runs. So I'm gonna give the GoPro to Joe, and you guys enjoy him spraying the clear. You guys will see the transformation. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna be right there.
So here's the final result. This is after Joe laid on 2 layers of clear coat after the base, and I'd say it came out pretty damn well. Pretty well. Looks wet. Looks better than it did before. I'll tell you that. No, that's for sure. The paint job on this before was way worse. This is way better. Look at this. Look at this. It looks so good. Look at that. What the? Looks good. And then here we have his gas tank for his motorcycle, and it looks pretty wet as well. It's basically the same color. This one's Alpine White 3, and I think mine's Alpine White 2. So the diesel paint was Alpine White 3. Mine was 2. Yeah, so we got the side skirt here. Looks good as well. His bander.
That one was perfect.
Dude, looks... How?
It's when you put really thick clear. But I didn't want to put too thick on yours. So.
It's beautiful. Finished all of it, and hopefully we can install it really, really soon. I don't know if this is just one video or if I'm gonna combine it with other videos, but so good. It looks so good. So yeah, see you later.